like, shout outs to you if you like looked at my old videos where like my locks are, you know, fresh out the womb. Baby locks. That's what I meant. Baby locks. Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a hair update video. Yesterday was September 15th, my sister's birthday, but it was also my 9-year-and-a-half Loc Anniversary. So I've had my locks for 9 years and a half. I'm almost at 10 years. Wow. I've almost been documenting my journey here on YouTube for 10 years. That's wild to me. Because I remember when I first started, I just saw people on YouTube documenting their month updates, and I thought that would be cool for me to do when I started, and that's what I did. And it just kind of just took off, and here I am today, almost at 10 years. And thank you so much for those of you who have been along my entire journey. I'm sure some of you have stayed along. I know sometimes like I get clusters of people who join me at certain times, and you are really responsive and you reach out to me and stuff, and then I notice you fall off, and then I look into you and then I see you cut your locks off. So I know like a lot of times when people start their lock journeys, they don't intend, you know, to be locks for the long run. So it's really interesting to see what you guys follow me for, if you guys just want some inspiration for the meantime, or if some of you are really dedicated to your lock journeys. It's really cool to have this platform on YouTube so I can engage with you guys for different reasons. For some of you, to give you some of my advice from my experience, and some of you guys just want to see the process and yeah, see what it's like and learn about locks, and that's all pretty cool. So I'm gonna do a quick measure to see how long they are now. I mean, I'm not expecting much, but I also want to announce the winners for my giveaway. If you've seen my last video where I show you guys my hairstyle from LocFest done by Keisha Felix, I offered a giveaway in my last video for you to guess how many pins I had in my locks. Most of you guys guessed a ridiculous amount, and I was really surprised. I told you guys that I had my hair in braids, so I feel like the braids should like take away the need for so many pins, but maybe you guys didn't really think it all the way through like that. But I had 32 pins, so 2 people got it right. One person is Refillway Carol, congratulations, and the other person is LOCS and Melanin. So I already reached out to you guys. I hope that you guys respond. One of you responded already, so hope the other one responds so that I can gift you guys your product from my shop. Okay, so let's get to measuring. My battery is gonna die, so I might have to come back, but I have my hair in half up, half down, so I'm gonna just choose some that's already down. This one feels short. You know, I always end up grabbing locks that I feel like aren't gonna be like the best representative, but that's fine. Just so you guys can get an idea, I'll probably measure like 3. So this one is 28. That's pretty short. I know my last length check, I feel like the longest one was like 32 or something. This one, well, you know what? The locks in the middle of my head are the shortest. I do remember when I did my big chop, I did cut too much of my natural hair. This one is 29. I'm gonna grab some from the back. This one is 30. Yeah, maybe I should have waited for my 10 year to do a measure. Well, I did trim some because some needed to be trimmed, so. But at the same time, when I wear my hair all the way down, like, they do appear longer. This one is 32. As expected, my battery did die, but I feel like the numbers I'm getting are pretty much the same as the numbers I got during my 9-year Loc Anniversary length check. Although my hair does visibly look longer, I'm not catching the right locks right now. I probably need someone to help me out, but whatever. You guys get it. My hair is long. You already know that. Okay. But before I let you go, I want to give a thank you to YouTuber How Dare We Not Be Brilliant for doing a review on my hair products, my horsetail leaf growth oil and the emu oil growth drops. She put up a YouTube video detailing her experience and her review, so I'll have that linked below so you guys can check it out if you're interested. I'll be making a fresh batch this week. However, you can purchase now if you want to, and I'll email you to let you know when you'll expect your tracking number. So yeah, thank you all for your great reviews on my oils. If you are on my mailing list, then you've definitely seen some of my testimonials, or if you follow me on Instagram, I have a highlight on my profile. You can click on the highlight and you can see a bunch of the testimonials I've received. So thank you again for supporting my shop. Thank you all for supporting my channel, especially those of you who've been here since the beginning. And even if you haven't been here since the beginning, like, shout outs to you if you like looked at my old videos where like my locks are, you know, fresh out the womb. Baby locks. That's what I meant, baby locks. But okay, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so much. I really appreciate you. I don't say that enough, and I want to make sure you guys know how I feel. You guys definitely help me to pursue my dreams, and you guys help me to achieve them, to be honest. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. If you aren't subscribed already, turn on the bell so you can get notifications sent to your phone. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Follow my other Instagram page at Loc'D. That's where I share photos of you guys with locks, and you guys send me your lock stories. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.